A nice day, have a crepe in the morning, and it will be really practical and delicious.
An egg, 1 tea glass of milk, 1 tea glass of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of 1 tea glass of water. Mixing for a while. I heated the pan, used little olive oil and spread it. Mixing first, then pouring. And spreading it into the pan. After checking the crepe is browned, I turn this back. Its back is browned too, so it's ready. And same steps for each piece of crepe. Mixing it first before pouring because some ingredients sink to the bottom. Really delicious pancakes for breakfast. Bon appétit!